Guys, this is a quick video on how to change your name on Microsoft Teams app. So you got your profile on a Microsoft team, and what you want to find is just this icon over here. Probably if you don't have a picture, it's going to be your initials or something like that, like this, like two big letters. So what you want to do is click on that icon, go on settings, and then choose profile. And from here, you will have this little thing, and you can click it and change your name. Just keep in mind that its changes to your name will be reflected across your Microsoft account. So you will change the name on all of apps you use a Microsoft account. I hope this helps. Subscribe us for more useful tips.